sobered up a little bit for this take. Yeah, don't wanna be slurring every line. Every day I'm dazed and confused, a taste of the booze, and I'm wasted and bruised. I pray that I never see my face on the news. Every day the same old groove, every day the same old blues. I play some tunes, try to change my mood, try to make excuse for the way I abuse, like two gray goose in a day straight through. But the man in the mirror's to blame, it's you. But the pain is true, choking my throat like an 8-inch noose. It won't let me go till I paid my dues, so I soak and I groan in the rain and the gloom. Gotta face the truth, can't sit quiet like I'm lame and I'm mute. Gotta make a riot for the game I pursue, or just stay silent if I'm aiming to lose. Yeah, pardon me as I go through it a little bit.